Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your device name to Galaxy A56. Let's begin. All we need to do is go to the settings and scroll all the way down into About Phone. Here, as you can see at the top, we have Galaxy A51 and half with a little emoticon. Obviously it is a totally real phone, but in order to rename it, all you have to do is just press this big button, rename, and now we can delete the funny part and switch to Galaxy A56. Now we have to hit done, and everything's done. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.